Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Wish. If you want to earn $1,000 on daily basis, follow these tips on Redbubble. Number 1 is profile picture. Your profile picture must be clear and visible. It is best if you use your own picture as it builds trust of the customer. It clears your identity just like your national ID, but you can place other images just like this one. It suits very good with the cover photo. Here you can see this one. The both profile picture and cover are matching each other. The next one is cover photo. Your cover photo must be clear and bright in colors. It should match the background of your profile picture. It imposes great impression on the customer. As you can see here, the profile picture and the cover picture are the same. In this one it is also the same, and here it's also the same. This builds a great impression on the customer. He just loves this thing. The third one is profile bio. Most of the people don't bother this one thing. Here you can see this. You should fill your bio and must tell about yourself and your artwork journey. All the people here are with good designs and with good description. Here you can see this, and he is also a featured artist. The next one is collection. You must make collection as these help the audience to browse and find the right decision and product. Don't ignore it. Made collections right now. Here you can see these are the collections. Here are all these collections. Whenever a customer comes on your shop, he will be able to see the collection and will find it easy to find its relevant product or design. The next one is product optimization is very essential. Let me show you. Here it is very essential, as it is common that people like products with the best dimension. Here you can see many designs are out of dimension, just like here in the mug. If it is like this, you will not going to buy it here. So we have to align it, we have to maintain its size just like this way and place it over this line. Now it looks good. And here you can also change the color here. So basically you have to look how it's looking. Basically you have to design and align the product so it will look good on the products. Dimensions also play an important part. The ideal dimension I am using personally are 7100 by 7100. Products with worse dimension designs, just like here, nobody is going to buy this design because the design is also on the tummy part. You have to place it on the chest. Smaller the lower the size of the design. Now it will look good. You can also color it from here. In the end, here I got extra tip for you guys. Upload as much as designs you can. From my personal experience, I get the idea that it's just a number game. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hey guys, wait, in the end, if you want to review your shops, you can send it on my Instagram username in the details below. Thank you.